Figure AI CEO Brett Adcock has made a really interesting post. He said, Figure is the ultimate deployment vector for AGI. So, what does he mean? AGI is the promised land of artificial intelligence, which will be able to rival, if not beat, human thinking. So, he's saying his robots will be the best way, the best platform to get AGI out into the world. And he doesn't elaborate on this because it's just a short tweet. But what can we say about why AGI will be better in a robot? And I think it comes down to this. With computer technologies, even with AI technology and internet, it's all on a device that we as humans we go to. We go to our laptops, our desktops, our phones. But that information, that intelligence remains in the device. And the difference with AGI, if it is a part of a robot, it's literally embodiment of AGI, of this intelligence. And so the robot will be out into the world and perhaps experiencing it a bit more like we as humans do by experiencing moving or by witnessing how we interact with the world. And a robot such as the figure with AGI interacting in that way and observing us, it may be able to better help us or come up with solutions for issues and problems that we face.